So why am I telling you this? Because there in line at Tractor Supply, for albeit a brief moment, I had a connection with someone whose worldviews and values are diametrically opposed to my own. I saw his humanity, not just his hat, and the message it stands for. We connected over squirrels and dogs. We shared a smile and a bit of laughter. You see, in a country so polarized and divided, it's going to take finding even the simplest of connections with each other to begin to restore our integrity and move us forward as a nation.